Joe, I'm not sure what you're building now, but it's not even matching the kitchen.
No, it won't, but hopefully it will soon. The homeowners are interested in putting in a kitchen island, and I'm not sure it's going to fit in this space. So what I did is I mocked up a full-size model of an island using these cardboard boxes.
Looks like you've been to the furniture store.
Yeah, furniture store, appliance store is another great place to get boxes. Now, the National Kitchen and Bath Association recommends 42-inch space between countertops. And you can see here, I'm almost a good 8 or 10 inches short, so I've got to go that way with it. And you really should maintain these distances, otherwise the traffic patterns will get very clogged up. Now, I can see already that this is going to be too big for this space. It's already encroaching in the hallway.
With that width, sure has.
Yeah, so give me a hand. We're going to shrink down this island. I cut the box so that we can just pull it together.
Oh, okay.
See, now imagine doing this with cabinetry or
yeah.
plywood boxes. I mean,
Or even a piece of tape on the floor just won't give you the idea of how big this is.
This really shows very clearly what the island's going to look like in your kitchen. All right, see, there we go. That's very close right there. Now here you've got plenty of walking space between the refrigerator. You should have probably about 36 inches or so. And it's the correct height, as about 36 inches, so it gives a real feel for what the island's going to look like.
This is really a good idea, and probably also a good idea to leave it here for a couple days to make sure it works out in your kitchen.